Welcome to 9-Minute Knowledge. Are you a beginner looking to dive into the world of fitness? Well, you're in the right place. In this exciting video, we'll take you on a transformative journey to discover the joy of movement, unleash your potential, and kickstart your fitness adventure. So, let's lace up those sneakers and get ready to break a sweat. We all know the benefits of regular physical activity, but where do we start? Fear not, my friend, as we unravel the secrets of fitness for beginners. We'll guide you through the fundamental principles and equip you with the knowledge to make informed choices on your fitness journey. Setting realistic goals is the first step towards success. We'll help you define your fitness objectives and create a roadmap tailored to your needs. Whether you aim to lose weight, build strength, improve cardiovascular fitness, or simply enhance your overall well-being, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore various exercise modalities that will keep you engaged and excited. From heart-pumping cardio routines to muscle-strengthening exercises, we'll introduce you to a diverse range of options. Discover the power of bodyweight workouts, resistance training, flexibility exercises, and even mindfulness-based activities like yoga and Pilates. Worried about complicated exercises? Fear not. We've curated a collection of beginner-friendly workouts designed to gradually build your fitness foundation. With step-by-step instructions and modifications, you'll learn proper form and technique, ensuring a safe and effective workout experience. Before we jump into the main workout, let's not forget the essential warm-up and cool-down routines. We'll emphasize the significance of priming your body for exercise and winding down afterward. Learn how to prevent injuries, improve flexibility, and optimize your performance through these crucial pre- and post-workout rituals. Starting a fitness journey is exciting, but maintaining motivation can be challenging. We'll share practical tips, strategies, and mindset shifts to help you stay motivated and overcome obstacles along the way. Remember, progress is not always linear, but with determination and a supportive community, you'll reach your goals. Fitness isn't just about the workouts, it's about embracing an active lifestyle. We'll encourage you to find opportunities for movement throughout your day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a brisk walk during breaks, or engaging in fun recreational activities. Every step counts. Your fitness journey is an ongoing process, and we want to celebrate every milestone. We'll teach you how to track your progress, whether through measurements, performance benchmarks, or simply how you feel in your own skin. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. You're not alone on this journey. Join our vibrant and supportive community, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share your victories, seek advice, and find inspiration. Together, we'll lift each other up and create an environment of encouragement and empowerment. Congratulations! You've completed your crash course in fitness for beginners. Now it's time to take action, embrace the challenge, and unleash your full potential. Remember, every step, every rep, and every drop of sweat counts. So, let's make fitness a part of our lives and unlock a stronger, healthier, and happier version of ourselves. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who's ready to embark on their fitness journey. Together, we'll create a world of motivated, empowered, and energized individuals. Now, let's go out there and make fitness our way of life.